Most Walmart sellers repeat this costly mistake month after month. Are you guilty? Don't be. But here we see on Walmart, right? One of our clients made 31 sales just today. It's early morning right now, and their current balance is 4,000. So they're doing pretty good. And their Walmart ads are also doing good with an ROAS of, well, they spent $36 and then they made $400 in sales. And this is just off one of their campaigns, right? This is just one of their campaigns that they're running. Imagine spending $40, getting $400 in return. Not bad at all. And in order to do that, you need to make sure that you have enough products to offer. Walmart, as of right now, it's a numbers game. The more products you have, the better it is. Right now, it's like momentum up, down, up, down. But if you have multiple products, all of a sudden, you're going to see a lot of them just taking up and going up and up and up. You can see Walmart right now, for most accounts, you can have 20,000 products in your catalog. It's a bit much, but try your best to get to 100. Have a goal, right? How can I get 100 products? I'm going to be showing you some good tips on how to get that, right? But the more products simply means more sales, right? Here's again, this is from the other day. Today's orders, 61, unshipped orders, 3. Lots of sales, right? And in order to see those numbers, you got to have a lot of products, okay? If you just have one product, it's going to be very, very hard, completely honest with you, out of the gate, right? And it just takes one winner to change your entire business. Now, look at this. It's literally a Pokemon plush, and it's sold by a third-party seller called Emporium Supply. Now, I don't want to call out this seller, but you can click on this listing and obviously check it up yourself. And, everything looks pretty decent about it. But the crazy thing is we have a tool called Helium 10. It's in the description, and it tells us how much money they're making on Walmart per month. They're making $37,000 a month on Walmart from this one product, right? So why are you going to be having so many different products on Walmart? Because you're going to realize that one of them becomes a winner. Or you have a Lilo and Stitch product, and boom, Disney announces we're making a Lilo and Stitch movie, and sales go crazy, right? It just takes one product that will change the game. And we know Pokemon does really well, but I didn't know it was going to do this well on Walmart. What you can do is when you find somebody who's making a lot of money, you see their name sold by Emporium Supply, click on it, okay? You click on their darn name. Once you do that, it literally tells you what products they sell on Walmart, right? So you're gonna know, what are the competitors doing? What are they selling? If they're selling certain items like the Pokemon, whatever, BMX, you can get them too, right? So it says their info. I don't want to show it. It says like their address and stuff. They got their personal information on it, not their business. I don't know why, but you can click shop all and you can see all of their products and see which ones are doing good and which ones are. Again, you need the Helium 10 tool to see their sales right now. It just is what it is. The link's in the description, but you can check out what products they're selling and double down and test them yourself, right? Don't just give up and just be like, oh, it's working great. That's going to be the biggest thing that you can do right now to succeed on Walmart. The fastest way you can find products and succeed in today's world. Now, also, when you are on Walmart, I've seen this happen many times where you're getting suspended because Walmart's now dishing out suspensions like it's the next best thing and you don't want that. Have a daily checklist. Just trying to help you, right? This is what we do. We've got a daily checklist for all of our clients when we're managing their Walmart accounts. Just go through a daily checklist, create one yourself, okay? You don't have to copy mine. Here's a weekly checklist. Simple, right? Once you start getting success, people are going to pretty much steal your IP. Happens. People are going to try to scam Walmart and say they didn't get it, and then Walmart's going to charge you. Happens. You can dispute those, not an issue. And then, of course, a monthly checklist. That's going to be my recommendation to you to succeed on Walmart. And I want you to succeed, but that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us. or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is full Walmart account management. We're going to come into your account, look at all of your inventory, optimize it, listen quality score, pro seller badge, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales. So much to help you focus on growing your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations, helping you save money, time, and improving your overall business. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.